Why is there such a price variance in quotes for metal roofs within the same profile?
It is a simple fact that some roofing contractors may sacrifice quality just to earn your business. Here are some key things to look out for. They will not strip your existing roof. They will not install the correct membrane, which needs to be waterproof, breathable, and withstand a high temperature and heat. They will use a cheaper, thinner strapping material on your roof. They may skimp on the number of straps used. They may use a lower grade of metal. You always want to ensure that you are getting a G90 grade. Grades such as G45 and G60 may rust down the road. You also want to ensure that the right fasteners are being used, and it gives you a guarantee of 50 plus years. While choosing a contractor, it is imperative that you ask these questions to ensure that you are getting the best service and the best bang for your buck.